How to install Pinterest app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. So just swipe up. Now here, so click on Play Store app. So after click on Play Store app, so click on this search icon and search, click on keyboard and search Pinterest. You will see click on Pinterest app. So if you want to install Pinterest app, so click on Pinterest and click on install. So after click on install, you will see your app is download according to your internet connection. So you will see few seconds later app is installed. So after the process, go back to home screen and you will see Pinterest app is here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Pinterest app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.